Imagine this. Every time you save the planet, you're actually saving yourself. What if I told you that the air you breathe, the food you eat, and even your mood are deeply tied to how we treat our environment? Today, we uncover the hidden link between a healthy Earth and a healthier you. From toxic chemicals to miraculous forests, this story will change the way you see the world and yourself. Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover might just inspire your next big lifestyle shift. Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening stories. The connection between human health and environmental well-being isn't as abstract as it may seem. Picture an intricate web where every strand represents something vital: clean air, fresh water, fertile soil, or thriving ecosystems. Each decision humans make ripples across this web, affecting not only the natural world, but also their own bodies. For centuries, humanity lived in harmony with its surroundings, relying on resources provided by nature without exhausting them. But modern lifestyles have disrupted this balance. Factories spew pollutants into the sky, oceans choke on plastic waste, and cities sprawl over once verdant lands. These changes don't just harm animals or plants, they directly impact human health. Air pollution alone contributes to respiratory diseases, heart conditions, and even neurological disorders. Meanwhile, pesticides used in industrial farming seep into groundwater, contaminating drinking supplies and leading to long-term illnesses. Yet, there's hope. By choosing sustainable practices, individuals can protect both the planet and themselves. Walking instead of driving reduces carbon emissions while improving cardiovascular fitness. Planting trees cleans the air and offers mental clarity. Simple actions create profound benefits, not just for the earth, but for those who call it home. Consider the role of food in this interconnected system. Industrial agriculture has revolutionized how societies produce sustenance, yet at a steep cost. Monocultures deplete soil nutrients, chemical fertilizers poison rivers, and mass livestock farming accelerates deforestation. This destructive cycle harms biodiversity and leads to nutrient-poor diets filled with processed foods linked to obesity, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. Conversely, embracing organic farming restores soil fertility and produces healthier crops rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating locally sourced, seasonal produce minimizes the environmental footprint of transportation and supports community resilience. Beyond diet, reconnecting with nature itself fosters physical and emotional wellness. Studies show that spending time outdoors lowers stress levels, boosts immune function, and enhances creativity. Forest bathing, a practice rooted in Japanese culture, encourages mindful immersion in wooded areas, allowing participants to absorb phytoncides released by trees. These natural compounds improve lung capacity and reduce cortisol levels. When people prioritize eco-conscious living, they simultaneously nurture their bodies and minds. Every choice becomes an opportunity to heal, not only the earth, but also oneself. Toxic exposure is another critical intersection between environmental degradation and human health. Everyday products, from cosmetics to cleaning supplies, are often loaded with harmful chemicals like parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. These substances accumulate in the body over time, disrupting hormones and increasing risks of cancer, reproductive issues, and developmental disorders. Similarly, microplastics infiltrate oceans and eventually enter the human bloodstream through seafood consumption. Such alarming realities underscore the importance of adopting non-toxic alternatives. Switching to biodegradable detergents, using refillable containers, and opting for zero-waste personal care items helps minimize reliance on hazardous materials. Moreover, supporting policies aimed at regulating industrial emissions ensures cleaner air and safer communities. Environmental justice plays a pivotal role here, as marginalized populations disproportionately bear the brunt of pollution-related ailments. Advocating for equitable access to green spaces, clean water, and renewable energy transforms public health outcomes on a global scale. When individuals unite under the banner of sustainability, they pave the way for collective healing. Protecting the environment ceases to be a distant ideal. It becomes a tangible path toward better lives. Ultimately, fostering eco-health requires a shift in perspective. It's not merely about recycling or conserving water. It's about redefining humanity's relationship with the planet. Imagine waking up each day knowing your actions contribute positively to the greater good. You bike to work, reducing fossil fuel dependency. You grow herbs in your backyard, eliminating the need for store-bought packaging. You advocate for policies promoting solar panels and wind turbines, envisioning a future powered by renewable energy. These efforts snowball into transformative change. Cleaner environments yield purer air, fresher food, and stronger immune systems. Mental health flourishes when surrounded by vibrant ecosystems rather than concrete jungles. Children raised in sustainable households inherit values of stewardship, ensuring the legacy continues. As awareness spreads, so does momentum. Grassroots movements gain traction, corporations adopt greener practices, and governments implement stricter regulations. Together, these forces reshape society into one that thrives alongside nature, not against it. Remember, the journey begins with individual choices. Every step taken toward ecological responsibility resonates far beyond personal boundaries. So, join the movement today. Subscribe now to explore more inspiring ways to live sustainably for yourself, for others, and for generations to come.